Newton's law of universal gravitation. Sir Isaac Newton observed that besides attracting small objects on and near its surface, Earth also attracts other planets. He proposed that a force of attraction exists between all objects in the universe, regardless of the distance between them. This force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe is termed as the force of gravitation. Figure 3.23. Newton further asserted that the force of gravitation increases with the increase in the mass of two bodies but decreases as the distance between their centers increases. He formulated a law known as Newton's law of universal gravitation, which states, the force of attraction between any two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers of gravity. Let's consider two bodies of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance d, with F representing the force of attraction between them. According to Newton's law, then Fm1 times m2 1 F1 d2 2. Combining I and 2, we get F m1 times m2 d2, where F is the force of attraction between the two bodies. m1 and m2 are the masses of the bodies. D is the distance between the centers of the bodies. F is equal to g m1 times m2 d2, where g is a universal gravitational constant. This law implies that the force of attraction between any two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Definition and unit of the universal gravitational constant. The universal gravitational constant, denoted by g, is a fundamental constant in physics that appears in Newton's law of universal gravitation. It represents the proportionality factor in the equation for gravitational force between two bodies. If there are two bodies, each with a mass of 1 kilogram, and the distance between their centers is also 1 meter, then in the formula, F is equal to g m1 times m2 d2, where F represents the force of attraction between the two bodies, m1 and m2 are the masses of the bodies, and d is the distance between their centers, we can equate this to F is equal to g m1 times m2 d2, or g is equal to F times d2 m1 times m2, or F is equal to g1 times 1 2, or F is equal to g. Therefore, the universal gravitational constant is equal to the force of attraction between two unit masses when they are separated by a unit distance as measured from their centers. Units of gravitational constant. By rearranging the equation for g, we can express it as F is equal to g times m1 m2 d2, or g is equal to F times d2 m1 times m2. Substituting the units for force, F, distance, d, and masses, m1 times m2, we get g is equal to n times m2 kg times kg is equal to nm to kg2. So the unit of the gravitational constant in the International System of Units, C, is Newton meter squared per kilogram squared, nm to kg2. Its experimental value is approximately is equal to 6.66 times 1011 nm to kg2. Examples. 1. The gravitational force of attraction between two bodies of masses m1 is equal to 1 kg and m2 is equal to 1 kg kept at a separation of r is equal to 1 meter is F is equal to 6.67 times 10 to 11 times 1 times 1. 1, 2 is equal to 6.67 times 10 to 11 n. 2. The gravitational force of attraction between the Moon, mass is equal to 7.36 by 1022 kilograms, and the Earth, mass is equal to 5.96 by 1024 kilograms, taking the distance of Moon from the Earth to be 3.80 by 108 meters, is F is equal to 6.67 times 10 to 11 times 5.96 times 1024 times 7.36 times 1022. 3.80 times 108, 2 is equal to 2 times 1020 n. From the above two examples, it is clear that the gravitational force of attraction is highly significant between heavenly bodies, but it is insignificant between ordinary bodies. Importance of the universal law of gravitation. The universal law of gravitation is crucial for explaining various celestial phenomena such as the motion of planets around the Sun, the motion of the Moon around the Earth, and the motion of freely falling bodies. It helps to understand and predict the gravitational interactions between celestial bodies, enabling us to comprehend the dynamics of the universe on both macroscopic and microscopic scales.